The African gray parrot's ability to talk and mimic sounds make this medium-sized parrot a captivated companion. African gray owners often report that their greys oftentimes talk in context and seem very attuned to their people's emotions. The African gray parrot is not just a top talker. This bird is also known for its extreme intelligence, which gives them the moniker the Einsteins of the bird world. The African gray parrot is one of the most talented talking mimicking birds on the planet, giving it quite a reputation among bird enthusiasts. Not only do bird keepers love this intelligent bird, it's one of the most recognizable species to bird novices as well. Everyone knows the African gray parrot. This parrot is one of the oldest synthesized species kept by humans, with records of the bird dating back to biblical times. Understated beauty and a brainy, no-nonsense attitude are what keep this parrot at the peak of popularity. I will put this at the end of the video so you can know about it. Thank you for watching.